Plated cup chains can be easily combined with end fasteners in order to create striking pieces of jewelry. Swarovski offers cup chains in various sizes, with integrated round or fancy stones. Matching end fasteners are available for many cup chains. First, use a side cutter to cut a piece of cup chain from the cup chain roll. If you are using a crimp spring ring, set one end of the cup chain between the two open claws. Fold both claws down using, for example, the other end of a pair of tweezers in order to hold the cup chain in place. Next, attach a jump ring to the end fastener. Use 2 chain nose pliers to open the jump ring. Attach the ring and a lobster claw to the end of the fastener. Then close it properly. Repeat the process for the other end of the cup chain, attaching a bigger sized jump ring instead of the lobster claw to finish the closure.